Hey guys, Jason here, Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. Today we're celebrating National Cat Day. It's Friday, October 29th.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
National Cat Day is to raise awareness about cat adoption. So if you have any questions about adopting a cat, go visit our friends at the Gulf Coast Humane Society or check them out on their website. Now, because Dagny is a dog and she is our shop mascot, that means we don't have any cats around here. But the best kind of purring we do have is a lovely exhaust note. So check these out and tell us what your favorite exhaust note is.